Then, so I think share of technology, it would go. We cannot predict. So this is the, rule of nature. Actually, we cannot blame that we didn't get anything. No. I think if we compare 60 or 50 years ago, people were working hard for getting food only.
Yeah.
Are you getting?
Yeah.
Now we are not, we don't have any problem with food. Now we are working hard for something else. So we cannot blame situations. So earlier we had something else. People were dying because of hunger. Imagine. So we are in good situation. Now we are working on luxurious that life should be little bit in that manner. That's what we are running behind. What do you say?
Yeah. Actually, I raised this topic because today was some issues in my company, and there was one senior person, and he said that we should follow the hierarchy of experience that some people are working from 20 years in that organization, so he would be more experienced. So to counter that his statement, I said that at this age, if he is not upgrading his knowledge, information, communications, and he is not able to use technology, then his experience is zero, nothing. And he is, not asset for the organization. He is liability for the organization. And it is really true because nowadays technology, suppose that what happened those days, if you want to learn something, then you have to take advice from the expert, experienced person. But nowadays it is not required. If you have a smartphone and then you can easily find so many knowledge and experience from that phone within fraction of second. You don't need to hire somebody or find out someone who is more experienced. So here is the change. So if you think you are 20 years experienced person and people would come and ask you to help them in their work, it is not required. Suppose, because I have my own experience that I worked in different sectors and different fields. So I never asked somebody to teach me or to show me how to work. Because I knew that how to use technology, how to get information. And whenever I start working in some other sector, I find out books related my work, and I started reading that. So I become expert or experienced, and you can say that I had a clear concept about my work. So these things, and second thing is that it's human nature. They compare themselves to others to be more happy, to feel more happy. So they try to others degrade, demean, and they want to show that you don't know anything, I knew everything. So for their pleasure, for their satisfaction. But it is useless. It is your insecurity that you find that insecurity in others. And one real fact I would say that in that organization I'm working for last 10 years, and I never said that I have so much work experience. I worked in different sectors. I knew so many languages. I never said. And recent last 2 and 3 days before, they knew about my age. because they thought that my age would be 32, 33, or more 35, 4.
Mm.
But recently, actually, when I was I was registering online for vaccine, free vaccine. So nowadays, 54 above, they are getting free vaccines. Vaccines are available for senior citizens and age above 45.
Mm.
So that time they knew that my age is 45 above, and they were shocked. We never realized that your age is 45 above, because you are always smart and fit and fine, jolly, like a boy of 25, 26. And
Yeah.
so don't compare or don't judge anybody, because appearance, it is said that don't judge book by its cover. So you don't know what quality, which person has what kind of qualities. So they always treated me like, novice, I don't know anything, because when I joined that company, then I wrote there in my experience simple, that a computer operator, simple one-line experience, that I worked as a computer operator. So, but later on, when they were knew about me, they all were shocked, and they said, you didn't say to us that you have that much knowledge and experience. I knew 4 to 5 languages also. I knew Bengali, Hindi, Bhojpuri is common for me, and Nepali, Oriya, a little bit Punjabi. So they were all surprised, because I never compare myself with others. My only focus is to learn something new. Every time my mind is focused on learning something new, and I always take care of my diet and my physical fitness. And I don't bother about people, what they think, what they say about me. So yeah. They feel that they are more experienced. It's fine, no problem. But actually, experience nowadays, that experience doesn't have any meaning. If you are working in same organization for 10 to 20 years, it has no meaning, because your knowledge has stagnated. I think it is the right word. माने आपने knowledge रुक गया, stagnant.
Yes, stagnant. We can use for that.
Yeah. So because what you have been doing for last 10 years, a new person can learn it